Welcome to all. I am Dr.A.Muthumani, Assistant Professor of Commerce, Sri S. Ramasamy Naidu Memorial College, Satur, Virudhunagar District. In this video, we are going to discuss about how to solve the given unbalanced assignment problem. Before we are entering into the main concept, first of all, we have to know the meaning of unbalanced assignment problem. If the number of rows is greater than number of columns, or the number of columns is greater than number of rows, then the given problem is said to be an unbalanced assignment problem. Yes, if we are given the unbalanced assignment problem, before we are entered into the procedure for solving the assignment problem, we have to convert the given unbalanced assignment problem into balanced one by introducing a dummy row or dummy column. If the number of rows is less than number of columns, we have to introduce dummy row. If the number of columns is less than the number of rows, we have to introduce the number of the dummy column with the zero cost element. Then automatically the given problem is said to be a balanced one. Then we have to follow the procedure for solving the assignment problem, the usual procedure. Yes, the usual procedure, the first step is each row smallest cost subtract. That is, yes, in each row we have to find the smallest cost, and after that we have to subtract all the elements of the concerned row from the smallest cost. This procedure we have to follow the same procedure we have to follow the remaining rows. Suppose we are given 4 rows or 5 rows. Yes, all the rows we have to follow the same procedure. That is, once again I repeat the first step. That is, we have to find the smallest cost in the row, and after that we have to deduct this smallest cost from all other cost of the concerned row. Then step number 2 is each column smallest cost subtract. That is, we have to select or we have to find the smallest cost in each column. After that we have to subtract the other elements from the smallest cost in the concerned column. Yes, this is step number 2. Then step number 3 is assigning zeros. Here we have to make the assigning zeros. Yes, first of all we are giving priority to which row or which column having single zero. Yes, our main aim is each row and each column we have to assign a single zero. So first of all we have to give, yes, listen, we have to given priority to which row or which column having single zero. We have to give a assignment on that zero, that is that particular row or particular column having the single zero. Yes, here we have to solve the one unbalanced assignment problem. Here you see this slide. Here there are 5 rows and 4 columns are given. That is, 4 columns R1, R2, R3, R4, 4 columns. Then 5 rows C1, C2, C3, C4, C5. That is, C1, C2, C3, C4, C5 stands for contractor 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And R1, R2, R3, R4 stands for road number 1, road number 2, road number 3, road number 4. We are given the problem, that is the cost of repair rupees in lakhs is given. We are going to solve and make the correct assignment, that is optimal assignment. That is which road is apt for or which road is assigned for which contractor. Yes, here you see there are 5 rows and 4 columns. So simply we come to conclusion, the given problem is unbalanced assignment problem. So the number of column is less than the number of rows. So we introduce a dummy column. That dummy column, the name is R5, that is row number 5. Yes, after that the problem is converted into balanced one. Then we have to apply the procedure. Yes, first procedure or the step number 1 is already we discussed each row smallest cost subtract. Yes, here you see in the first procedure we have to follow the first procedure. Again we will get the same table because in each row there is a smallest cost is 0. So we have to subtract the other elements in the concerned row from the 0. Yes, after that we will get the same 0, the same table. So in the step number 1 no change, that is we are getting the same cost table, matrix table. Then we are going to step number 2. Step number 2 is each column smallest cost subtract. Here each column, in the first column the smallest cost is 7. So we have to subtract the other elements. Other elements in the first column is 9, 9, 10, 10. Yes, we have to subtract these 4 elements from 7. Then the same procedure we have to follow the remaining 4 columns. Then step number 3. Step number 3, assigning zeros. Assigning zeros is the procedure is, first of all we have to make a assignment, or we have to make a priority in which row or which column having single zero. Here you see the first row 2 zeros, second row 2 0, third row consists of only 1 0. So we make a assignment in that row, that is third row fifth column have a single zero. So we have to make a assignment. As here you see the third, we will make a assignment in the third row. This assignment is common for both third row and fifth column. So automatically we have to strike out the remaining zeros of the fifth column. Then move to row number 4. Yes, here also row number 4 we are having 2 zeros. Then row number 5 there is no zero. Then move to row number 2 there is only 1 0. So we will make this assignment in that 0. Then move to first row. As first row fourth column single 0. So we have to make the assignment. Yes, we have to follow this procedure until all the rows and all the columns having the single zeros. Yes, here you see the second column and fifth row, second column and fifth row not assigned a 0. That is, I will put a tick mark in the fifth row and second column. Then we will automatically go to step number 4. Step number 4 is draw a minimum number of straight line. That straight line should cover all zeros. Yes, listen. Draw a minimum number of straight line. That straight line cover all the zeros in the assignment problem. So we have to draw first row straight line, first column, fourth row and fifth column. Yes, in this slide, yes, we have to draw a minimum 4 straight line. That 4 straight line cover all the zeros. After that, go to step number 5. Yes, step number 5. Here we have to select the least cost among the uncovered element. Least cost among the uncovered element. Yes, least cost among the uncovered element. The uncovered elements are 5, 2, 4, 6, 3, 3, 3 and 3, 3, 1. There are 9 elements are not covered. Out of these 9 elements, one is the least cost. We have to subtract this one from the uncovered element and add those elements which are lying under intersection. After that, now we are getting a new assignment problem, that is 3, 2, 1, 0, 0, 3, 0, 4, 3, 1, 0, 2, 5, 2, 2, 0, 4, 0, 0, 4, 1, 3, 2, 2, 0, 1. Yes, once again I repeat the step number 5. Yes, after drawing the straight line, then we have to select the least cost from the uncovered element. After that, we have to add this least cost to the uncovered elements and subtract from the uncovered elements and add those elements are lying under intersection. After that, we are getting a new assignment problem. Then we move to step number 3, that is assigning zeros. Here also we have to follow the same procedure, that is each row, which row or which column having a single assignment, we will make a assignment first in that particular row or particular column. Yes, here also again we have a same problem, that is second column and fifth row not assigning single zero. Then we have to make a straight line. We have to make a straight line and select the uncovered element and add this uncovered element to the element those who are lying under intersection and subtract those elements comes under uncovered element. Then finally, yes, here you see in the first row we are giving assignment in the third column. Second row we are making the assignment in the first column. Third row we are making the assignment in the fifth column. Fourth row assignment is second column, and in the last row we are making assignment in the fourth column. Yes, you check here, you see all the rows and all the columns are having a single assignment or single encircled 0. So we will make a optimal assignment. Then finally we will get a answer, that is a total minimum cost. Yes, here you see contractor C1, first contractor assigned road number 3, the contract cost is 19 lakhs. Contractor 2 assigned road number 1, the cost of repair is 7 lakhs. Contractor 3 assigned for nothing, that is contractor 3 assigned in road number 5. Road number 5 we are giving a dummy column, so there is no assignment for contractor 3, and contractor 4 assigned for road number 2, the cost is 12 lakhs. Contractor 5 assigned for road number 4, the cost is 16 lakhs. Total of minimum cost is 54 lakhs. Yes, this is the